Where'd Ella go? Noah, Ella wants you to go get her. You guys gonna drive some cars? Going on a little date. Hey guys, how's your date going? Noah's got a cool set of wheels. Whoa, Noah. You're not a very safe driver.
We're almost to the playground.
You're almost to the playground?
Yeah.
That's a good place.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys later.
Bye.